Good evening. I'm Valerie Pritchett.
I'm Alicia Richards. So glad you're with us. So COVID cases are soaring and hospitals are filling up.
Early in the pandemic, the Wolf administration was aggressive when it came to shutdowns and mandates. So why not bring them back now? Capitol reporter Dennis Owens took that very question to the state health secretary today.
The State Farm Show. Yes, there's tasty food. And yes, there's still a pandemic.
A little nervous, but we've got our boosters and our shots, and it seems like it's not a huge crowd here.
We were going to come on Saturday, and we figured, no, it's going to be too crowded, too many people. We picked today because we figured it would be a light flow.
Light flow here, not so at hospitals, which are overwhelmed and understaffed, and the state health secretary says the worst is yet to come.
We are not at our peak by way of cases right now, which means we are not at our peak by way of hospitalizations right now.
While the Wolf administration is encouraging vaccinations and asking for federal strike teams, it is not closing businesses or schools or even the farm show as it once did. Remember this?
By closing these facilities, we can control the spread of the disease. That's the hope.
That was then. This is now.
We are not considering further mitigation at this time.
Have you now taking a more hands-off approach and allowing things to happen?
The constitutional authorities that the governor and that the Secretary of Health have are different at this time.
Voters approved amendments last year limiting a governor's emergency powers, so Wolf's philosophy now is help locals make sound public health policy.
And it's really the Department of Health's responsibility to make sure that we're providing accurate and scientifically driven information so that people can make those decisions.
That government is no longer deciding for you doesn't let you off the hook, which brings us back to the farm show. Were you concerned about coronavirus at all, or no?
No.
Why not?
The Lord is going to take care of you. Social distance if you want to, but at the same time, we can't not do things.
I think that you have to do what you feel is best for yourselves, your family. That's my honest opinion.
The health secretary did thank the Biden administration for its help in providing strike teams, but she added it's not nearly enough to deal with the current surge. In Harrisburg, Dennis Owens, ABC 27 News.